So this is the Huawei, the biggest cell phone brand in South Africa and all over the world. But the Huawei has some humble beginnings. So let me tell you the story of the Huawei. Sizoyiqala kanjani? Sizothi iHuawei had a problem. Ngonyaka 1987 uMr Ren Zhengfei wahamba waye-bank lase-China wathatha i-loan engango-$3,000 wavula a small business wayibiza ngeHuawei babekhanda amafoni at the time. Eventually lelo business lagrowa with the support of the Chinese government. Ngonyaka 2010 uHuawei wawusu number 3 kumakhampani amakhulu emhlabeni enza ama-smartphones. But into eyenza ukuthi uHuawei uthandwe kakhulu was that amafoni abo ayenespace esikhulu, amafoni abo aye-high quality when it comes to e-camera, and amafoni abo aye-cheap and affordable. Unfortunately, ngoba i-America ayithandi ukubona elinye ilizwe liphumelela, i-America ayithandi ukusala ngemuva. So what they did is they banned iHuawei from using uGoogle Play Store. That's why amafoni eHuawei engenawo uGoogle Play Store, and America put a blacklist on any cell phones awe-Huawei, meaning that uHuawei cannot sell or cannot saturate i-market yase-America. After i-America yenza isinqumo sokuthi no, wena Huawei ungadayiswa e-America. After i-America decide ukuthi wena China asiyifuni technology yakho, i-China yaresponda ngo-creator u-5G. I-5G is said to be better than i-4G because i-5G is faster when it comes to internet use. Akugcinanga lapho, i-China also created i-AI, izinto enjengo ChatGPT, which is said to be way better than uSiri. Unlike i-America namafoni abo awe-Apple, iHuawei decided to give back to the community. iHuawei offers iy'ngane zesikole ama-scholarships. iHuawei offers iy'ngane zesikole imisebenzi mase iphuma esikoleni, offering ama-tablets. iHuawei makes sure ukuthi each and every country where i-technology yabo idayisa khona, they make sure they give back to i-community. Njengamanje kunyaka 2025 uMr Ren Zhengfei is rated as number 7 kubantu aba-rich emhlabeni jikelele, and uMr Ren Zhengfei created a company evule amathuba omsebenzi for abantu abaningi around the world, making sure ukuthi imiholo yabo ifair, making sure ukuthi